Hey, so I figured since this week, last week we skipped a video, I would provide a little extra bonus video this week as a makeup. And also in preparation for next week, since my office might look a little different. One of the things I did over Memorial Day break and a little bit into this week was rearrange my office a touch. I've had a pile of boxes sitting in the corner for a while, and it was time to finally unbox them and put them out. So, welcome to my office. It's the extra bedroom in our house, and yeah, show you a couple nooks and crannies that you don't get to see from the usual angle that I'm sitting at. So yeah, so next time I sit down, you'll see a couple extra bookshelves in the corner, which will be nice. Because now they're not in boxes over on the side anymore, distracting me, which is good. Anyway, so yeah, this is my office. This is where I hang out. One of the things I added was my little name tag from a door. When I was teaching at UO a couple terms ago, Cynthia, our program manager, gave me a very cool little thing, so that's cool. Now I'm official and fancy. I worked at bookstores for a very long time, through undergrad and high school, so I'm very particular about how books are arranged. So we've got our fiction going in here, nonfiction, and then we've got mostly a continuation of nonfiction, my office books, and then we've got the comics as we go around. Comics, and then into manga coming in over here. All right. You probably notice my football team. Come on, you Spurs. Deal with it if you're an Arsenal fan. Make life choices that you will. You have to do what you have to do. World Cup's coming up. I'm very excited for Argentina. My father's from there. We need to win a major World Cup. I really can't stand another heartbreak of another loss in another major final. Yeah, there's lots of nerdy little details and secrets around here. Big old Harry Potter statue. It plays terrible tinny music that's really awesome and exciting. Harry's my dude. I'm a big Gryffindor myself. We've got Batwoman up here. One of my articles that I wrote was on Batwoman, and my dear friend Jay Lee got me that when I graduated with my PhD. I love traditional Japanese ukiyo-e, so some of those prints, some Wonder Woman stuff over on the side, lots of little Totoro and Miyazaki stuff. Miyazaki is very dear to my heart. And sitting right next to my desk as I talk to you guys, looking back at me, a couple little friends over here, Yotsuba from the excellent manga Hellboy and Gang, and Fran and Balthier from Final Fantasy XII. The best Final Fantasy game of all time. Sorry. My cats hang out with me. They hang out in the best cat bed of all time, Skull Bed. And then there's a big pile still. There's at least one pile left in my desk room. Desk room. Yes, words. This is why I work off a script. My office. Stuff to go to Goodwill at some point. Still a bunch of little stuff here and there, but this is where I work. This is what you see. Where the magic happens, I guess? Anyway, thanks for sticking around. See you next Monday. Bye.